Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is practice set 3.2. This is based on touching circles. Practice set 3.2. First example. Two circles having radius 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touch each other internally. Find the distance between their centers. This is 1 mark question. Write down the property, the distance between their centers of the circles touching internally is equal to the difference of their radii. Therefore, distance between the centers of the circles touching internally is equal to 4.8 minus 3.5 is equal to 1.3 centimeter. Second example. Here two circles of radii 5.5 cm and 4.2 cm touch each other externally. Find the distance between their centers. Solution. Write down the property, the distance between the centers of the circles touching externally is equal to the sum of their radii. So write down the distance between the centers of circle touching externally is equal to 5.5 plus 4.2 is equal to 9.7 centimeter. Fourth example. In figure, the circles with center P and Q touch each other at point R. A line passing through R touching the circles at point A and B respectively. Prove that segment AP parallel to BQ, triangle APR, similar triangle RQB, if angle PAR is equal to 35, then find the measure of angle RQB. Solution. Now observe carefully. This angle congruent to this, vertically opposite. Write down angle PRA, angle PRA, congruent angle QRB. Write down the reason. First statement, vertically opposite. Now take this triangle, triangle APR. In this triangle, AP congruent PR, radii of same circle, therefore these two angles are congruent. Isosceles triangle theorem. So write down the statements. In triangle APR, segment AP or PA congruent PR, radii of same circle. Therefore, this angle congruent to this angle. Write down angle PRA congruent angle PAR. This is statement number 2, isosceles triangle theorem. Similarly, now in this triangle RQB, QR congruent QB, radii of same circle. So write down in triangle RQB, segment QR congruent segment QB, radii of same circle. Therefore, these two angles, angle QRB is equal to angle QBR, angle QRB congruent angle QBR. Write down the reason. Third statement, isosceles triangle theorem. In triangle APR and RQB, these two angles are these two. Means this one and this one. From statement number 1, write down angle PRA congruent angle QRB from 1 and from 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. These two angles are congruent. This angle congruent to this from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, angle PAR congruent angle QBR. Observe statement number 1, 2, 3. These two are congruent. These two are congruent. These two are congruent. Therefore, this congruent to this, that is angle PAR congruent angle QBR. This is statement number 4 from 1 to 3. In these two triangles, two pairs of angles are congruent. Therefore, triangle APR similar triangle RQB A test. Now, here this angle PAR congruent angle RBQ or QBR. Statement number 3. Angle PAR and QBR are alternate angles. In statement number 4. Therefore, AP parallel BQ. These two angles are alternate angles. Angle PAR and angle QBR. Write down the reason from 4 and alternate angle test. Now, third part. Angle PAR is equal to 35 given. Angle PAR, this is given part. Angle PAR is equal to QBR and angle QRB from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, in triangle QRB or RQB, angle QBR is equal to angle QRB is equal to 35 degree. Now substitute the value. The sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle QBR plus angle QRB plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the value 35 is equal to angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle RQB is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. Complete this example in your notebook. Fifth example. In figure, circles with center A and B touches the circle at point E. Line L is a common tangent, touches the circle at point C and D respectively. Find the length of segment CD if radii of the circle are 4 cm and 6 cm. Here we draw segment AC, BD and AB and draw AF perpendicular to BD. Write down the construction. Draw segment AC, BD and AB and AF is perpendicular to BD, B dash, D dash, B dash, F dash, D. Now, segment AC is perpendicular to line L, segment BD is perpendicular to line L. This is statement number 1, tangent theorem. Segment AF is perpendicular to segment BD. This is 2, construction. From 1 and 2, quadrilateral ACDF is rectangle because three angles are 90 degree, therefore remaining angle is also 90 degree. Therefore quadrilateral ACDF is a rectangle. There from 1 and 2. Therefore AC is equal to DF and CD is equal to AF. This is statement number 3. Opposite sides of rectangle. AC is equal to AE is equal to 4 cm. Radius of circle with center A. Similarly, BD is equal to BE is equal to BD is equal to 6 cm. Radius of the circle with center B. Here AB is equal to AE plus BE. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 cm. Write down the reason. Distance between two touching circles externally. Now find out BF. BF is equal to BD minus DF. DF is equal to AC, that is 4, means 6 minus 4. BF is equal to BD minus DF is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 cm. B dash D dash F. In triangle ABF, angle BFA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem from statement number 2. Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AF square plus BF square. Now substitute the values. 10 square is equal to 2 square plus AF square. Now 10 square, that is 100, 2 square 4, 100 minus 4 is equal to AF square. That is 96 is equal to AF square. AF is equal to 4 root 6 centimeter. Therefore CD is equal to 4 root 6 centimeter from statement number 3. AF is equal to CD. Here we complete practice set 3.2. So write down all these 4 examples, and third example is a homework. So draw the circle with given proper radius. Thank you.